Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Will Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the line and how to use the lines on your Canva on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a line on your Canva mobile or on your mobile application. So first, I'm just going to change the background color and then just click on the elements, and here you just need to click on the shapes option on the top first, or you can just search as line on the top. So you can see add a shape line. Click on this, and here the line has been added, and you can just customize the line by clicking on the line option. You can find the line color on the bottom. So here you can just choose the line color and click on the line scale. Here you can adjust the thickness of the line and also the design you just needed. So there's a lot of line scale. You can have a rounded corner if you just need it on the bottom. I'm just going to change this. After here, you can click on the line start, and you can just change the line start style and also the line end style by using these options. And here the type of curve or line you just needed. You can just change it like straight or whatever. And also there is a lot of the more options here present on the bottom section. And also you just need to know, click on the element section first and click on the shapes option. And here you can find a different type of lines. It's your presets of line. You can just choose any line you just needed, and you can just keep wherever you just needed. The same way you can just increase the line thickness so you can see the visibility. You can just see the thing. And I just need to change the line color. Just click on here and just you can just change the line color like this. So this is the way you can easily insert the lines on your Canva mobile application. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Big Unique. Have a wonderful day.